So now what we want to do is hide these items for the smallest window and display them in any other situation. So here's our default styles. And again, we're doing this editing in Chrome because we've connected up our source files, our local files, with the files that this browser is fetching. And that allows us to navigate to these SCSS files and actually edit them in the browser. And as we save them, the browser will refresh the CSS after it gets rendered with Compass. Okay, so what we want to adjust is the Flex Prev and Flex Next. So what we'll do is set the display to none by default, and then at the smallest breakpoint, we'll set the display to the default. Let's check out what that is. I'm going to inspect this element, and its display is block. I'll go back to the Sources tab, and let's do the same thing for the previous link. So we'll set the display to none. I'll just copy and paste that in, and then the display to block inside of the smallest breakpoint. And again, that smallest breakpoint means anything that has a minimum width of this and higher. So we don't need to add a breakpoint for the breakpoint single item here. Let's save this and refresh in the browser, and we'll see at a small window that the navigation is gone, and then as we get bigger, it comes back.